Welcome to Saving Money for the Long Run. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We're going to tell you what our YouTube goals are for 2026.
All right, let's get to it.
This year, we plan to focus more on grocery hauls and recipe videos.
That's right, because in the past, we've always shared multiple grocery hauls in one video. But for 2026, we're going to break that down. We're going to break it down. We're going to break the hauls down into single store videos. So if we're like usually for our big haul at the beginning of the month, we do 3 stores like Aldi, Sam's, and Walmart. Well, when we do that, we're going to break those down into an Aldi haul, a Walmart haul, and a Sam's haul all separately so that you'll be able to see those.
Yeah. Occasionally we might have other stores, but those are the 3 that are closest in our area. So they're the ones that we typically go to most often.
That's right. We might not just focus on just the things we buy, but walk down some aisles and say, hey, here's some deals for you. Or,
Aldi finds.
That's right. We're also going to continue to share with you the grocery saving tips within the haul videos and occasionally specific price comparison videos like we've done in the past as well.
Mm-hmm. That's right. We also are considering bringing back our old taste test videos.
Ooh.
Where we would have, especially Joel would do some taste test videos.
Me.
Yeah, where he might compare a generic or unique brand to maybe like a more, the name brand. So if you enjoyed those taste test videos in the past, look for those. We plan to bring them back.
Now we plan to post videos every Monday and Wednesday, as well as community posts throughout the week. We also plan to bring back once a month live stream that we did back in the day.
Yeah, it's been 3 or 4 months.
It's been a minute since we've done one. We'd love for our live streams to become more of a community aspect where we encourage each other. So be sure to check out the first live stream that we do in January and let us know what you think of the new format.
We hope that you're all excited about what we have in store for the channel in 2026, and we look forward to sharing the new year with you all. Thank you all for the support and encouragement that you gave us this year. We love you all.
That's right. And I think that's going to do it today for Saving Money for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. And remember, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. And here's to 2026.